Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable cross-device withdrawal verification into your Bitget for extra security. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening Bitget you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply select that, and after going into here, select your profile, and after selecting your profile, choose security section, and into here scroll down to all the way bottom until you see this withdrawal settings option. Now select withdrawal settings, and you will get to see this option of cross-device withdrawal verification. Now you just simply have to enable this toggle, and after that your cross-device withdrawal verification will be enabled and your withdrawals will be secured. This way you can very easily do that. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.